Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pranay Aluria and in this video I am going to talk about Instagram Reels. This video is a complete Instagram Reels tutorial where I am going to talk about each and every detail, each and every aspect, each and every feature of Instagram Reels. What are the features which are different from TikTok and what are the features which are even similar to TikTok, and how you can gain followers and viewers on Instagram Reels. I am going to tell you everything in this video in detail, in depth. So do watch this video till the end and do subscribe to my channel for more social media and digital marketing related videos. Let's move to my mobile screen now.
Hey everyone, so you all are on my Instagram feed right now. Before moving ahead with the Instagram Reels tutorial, I would like you guys to suggest that it might be possible that the feature is only available after an update on Android and iOS devices. So just please go and check that and update your apps if required. So in the first part of the video, I'm going to tell you how you can access and view all the Reels video. In the second part, I'm going to tell you how you can make amazing Reel videos. Let's move to the first part now and explore where you can watch all the Reel videos. So let's move on with the Instagram Reels tutorial. Now for using and watching the Instagram Reels videos, you need to go into the Explore tab of Instagram over here. Now on the left hand side, you can see it's written Reels. I'm just going to click on this. I have muted down my music so that I don't get a copyright on my YouTube video. Now, if you click over here and see that you can visit anyone's profile also over here. Just click on the profile name and you can go back and see their profiles. Let's go back. Now also you can see that there is a heart, there is a comment section, there is an arrow and there is 3 dots. So if you double tap on this likes your video similar to what happens in TikTok. So Instagram Reels is not very different from TikTok in certain functionalities. So as you click on the comment button over here, you can see that the content creator has used a lot of hashtags and there are a lot of comments which are actually very good for your engagement and increase your views. So make sure that people are increasingly liking your video and also commenting on your video. Let's go back one step. On the share button over here, you can see that you can share this video with a lot of your Instagram friends over here directly. Let's click on the 3 dot and see what are the other options available over here. So there are 3 options which are currently available over here, which are hide, report, copy link and save. So hide is for the feature that you don't want to see these kind of videos and it will tell Instagram that I don't want to see these kind of reels and show me something else. Report is if you want to report a video or comment and say that okay, this video I don't like because of spam or anything misleading, and you can do that. Copy link so that you can copy this video, and if you want to download it or share this video with a lot of your friends, you can do that. And save this video. If you want to download Instagram Reels video, this is a feature. So you can just click on the save button and this video is saved and this will be saved to your gallery and you can watch it again. Let's go back and understand how you create the Reels video. Now let's move to the second part and create amazing Instagram Reel videos. So you just have to go on your stories tab, and when you go on your stories tab, now you can see there is 3 features which are available on the bottom, which is live, story and reels. So just click on the reels part, and as you can see, now you can record and make your Instagram Reel videos. So now as you can see, you can make videos from your front camera or also from your back camera as well. Now as you can see on the left hand side, there are 3 features available, and let's explore each one of them one by one. So the first one is basically for the music. Now as I have muted down my video, but I am going to still tell you an amazing feature which is there, which was not there on TikTok for the music. Okay, let's see and choose any music. Okay, let's see this music from Maroon 5 Memories. Okay, now you can choose which part of the video you want to use for the audio part, okay, and which audio and which lyrics you want to use for what duration and all. So it also telling you lyrics, which was not the case with TikTok. Okay, let's say I want to use this feature for this part of the video, and as these videos are for 15 seconds only, you can choose lyrics or music maximum for 15 seconds. There is no feature for 60 seconds over here on Instagram Reels. Okay, now just do this and you are done. Okay, now this is the music part which is selected for this video. Okay, now let's come to the second part. The second part is the video speed for which you want to create. Let's say if you want to make a slow-mo video, or if you want to make a faster video, you want to make transitions, which a lot of people were doing in TikTok. Now you can do that on Instagram Reels as well and have lot of amazing features and amazing videos because of variation of speed on the Instagram Reels video. So let's say if I am going to make it 0.5x, the speed of the video is going to be much lower when I start recording the video. If I going to do 2x, the videos are going to be 2x faster. So all these variations are possible and available, and these features are same as TikTok for this particular part. Okay, let's keep it at 1x only. Now there are multiple effects which are also available over here. So let's click on the effects part, and now as you can see, there are multiple effects which have come over here. Okay, as it is showing my name right now, when I will shoot the video, this will also come up in the effects. Okay, I can change these effects, this effect. Yay, I'm graduating, congrats, the class of 2020. Green screen and total background. So you can go back and not do any effect. I'm just going to have, no effect chosen. Okay, now there is also a feature over here which is called the timer. Okay, now you can see there is a timer which you can set for your videos, which is from 0 seconds to 15 seconds. As these videos are only for 15 seconds, there is no timer for 60 seconds over here. Okay, now let's say if you want to shoot a video only for 7 seconds and you are only going to set this as a timer. Let's set the timer. Okay, now the videos which will be recorded will be only for 7 seconds. Okay, so guys, now we are going to make an Instagram Reels video from scratch to the end. Okay, let's start. The timer has started. Hey guys, I'm making my first Instagram Reels video. I make videos on social media and digital marketing, so do subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon. Okay, now we can go ahead. Now this is a video which is processing right now. Okay, and I can add much more text over here. As you can see on the top right, I can add text. Okay, now I can add like my first Reels video. Okay, and I can keep it in a different font altogether. I can click on this and I can increase the size of the text. Okay, now I can do that. Let me just put it over here. I can choose the color of the text as well. Let me put it for blue. Okay, now I can keep it different effects. Okay, I want to keep this effect. Now if I want to change the duration of this text, I just need to long press it. Okay, I just need to long press it, and over here bottom I can choose the slider. Okay, now this is only going to keep the text for this particular duration out of those 7 seconds. Okay, so I can draw also on the screen with variable brushes and effects. Like over here I can just do this and make this color something different like this, and do this again, and maybe it should do something like this. And if I want to add another text, I will just go back, select this, and I can just write follow me on Insta, and again choose any of the effects and colors over here. Let me use something different. Let me use this green one, and over here, yeah, and I can add this as well in a different duration, something like this. Okay, and this comes over here. Now this is my entire video, this is my video, my first Reels video, follow me on Insta lit, and I've added some different colorful effect to show you guys. Also now you can download this video over here and save this video right over here. You can see the save option, and you can see save without music, but the music will be removed, but you can save the video so that you can use this video again for some other purpose with some other music. You can do it and save it. This video is getting saved right now. Okay, now the video is saved. There is also an option of link which you can add to a reel, which is different from TikTok. TikTok did not have any feature of adding a link to your video. Now I believe that for the popular creators and particular threshold of followers, you can avail this feature and add a link to your video. Okay, now let's go ahead. Okay, now I can use any kind of hashtags for this video and publish it, but I would suggest and I would strongly recommend that you use hashtags which are actually starting from your name, and use those hashtags which does not have many followers or views right now. Let's say I'm going to write my first reel video. Okay, and I'm going to write my own name as an hashtag. Okay, as you can see, it's recent, nobody has used it. My second hashtag can be something like digital with Pranay, and again this is more like recent and unique. So I will keep on adding these hashtags on all my videos so that when I get 1 views, couple of views, and next time I use the videos, these videos are shown to the people first who have already seen my videos, and add these kind of hashtags. Okay, take these kind of hashtags, and this used to work really well on TikTok. Now this is going to be pretty much the same, I believe. So if you're going to use hashtags which are already very popular, like something like popular creator as an hashtag, it already has some posts and already has some views over here. So instead of doing that, create your own hashtags which are only related to you, and when people click on it, they only see your videos, and hence increasing your reach. Okay, now I'm going to post this, share this on my screen on my news feed. Now this is uploading right now. On your profile, the reel videos will be available in a separate tab. I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see right now, when you go on your profile, you will see the Reels tab on the middle, and you can watch your Reels video and access it from here. All your Reel videos will be available over here. So guys, another way of uploading Instagram Reels video is you can upload a pre-created video over here. Just see, I am choosing this video right over here. I just need to upload. Okay. Now this is processing right now, and this will upload the video which I had already created and which I had downloaded from my TikTok profile. Now it's okay. Now it has come over here. Just click on this and you can use this. Just click on this arrow. And as you can see, this video is gonna be available and working same as what it was on TikTok. I can use them directly right away over here. If any changes I need to make, I can make them. Otherwise, it's totally not required. I can go ahead and publish this the same way I had published my earlier video on Instagram Reel using the same hashtag strategy and the description, and I can upload it.
I hope you guys liked my video on Instagram Reels tutorial. Do subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon, as I upload a lot more of videos on social media and digital marketing. I will make a lot more videos around Instagram Reels, what are the latest features, what are the latest updates, and how you can get a lot more views, how you can scale your Instagram profile through Instagram Reels as well. So do hit the bell icon and do wait for my next video. Thank you.